Not backing down. The finance minister is insisting the government has information which confirms that Stocks and Securities Limited, SSL, attempted to wind up the company. This follows as an explosive release from SSL defending its position.
The financial institution, now at the center of a multi-billion-dollar fraud investigation, said when it appointed a trustee, the plan was not to wind up operations.
Now, Andrea Chisholm has the latest in this developing saga.
On January 25, the finance minister told the country that SSL attempted to wind up the company. And so the Financial Services Commission FSC as regulator got a court order to stop SSL from winding up or selling its assets. But SSL sees things differently. The company says on January 12 it told the FSC about the appointment of a trustee, Kadion Campbell of Phoenix Restructuring, Advisory and Insolvency Services Enterprise. Mr. Campbell's appointment took effect 4 days later, on January 16. It was the intention of SSL directors to give their powers and authority to the trustee, putting the company under his control. The trustee and his team would independently review the business to, among other things, determine its financial state of affairs. The information would also help to explore options for restructuring and reorganizing. SSL said the trustee was not appointed to wind up the company. Kadion Campbell would also ensure all conservatory measures were in place over the assets while ensuring the company obeys FSC directives. Despite this explanation, Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark is sticking to the facts as reported by the SSL temporary manager appointed by the FSC.
The temporary manager is in receipt of a resolution filed with the company's office for a member's voluntary winding up and stamp received by the company's office on the 16th of January 2023. I don't know what people might say their intent is, but that document speaks for itself. And the temporary manager, the FSC, the government of Jamaica, had to act in light of that resolution that was filed with the company's office.
In the meantime, SSL says so far there has been no run on investments and most of its clients have not been affected by the fraud. However, trust in the entity has been deeply damaged.